Buenas noches, suscriptores y espectadores. Bienvenidos, Bengo Momento. Welcome, my peeps. Bless up on yourself. Me checking right now. Just to give you this update. And we want to start with the unruly boss. Yeah, my peeps. Right now, we see where Popcorn him not really get himself involved in the careless behavior, in the back and forth throwing out words. No, the unruly boss is not depend that right now, my peeps. We see where this was the last post Poppy made on his Instagram page, and what the date say, people see that April 12. We know Popcorn for be a man where ever the on social media, my people, like regular, frequent, and Popcorn ever in things with people where social media is concerned. But during the most recent flare up on social media with dancehall artists, we don't see Popcorn vocal or otherwise in none of these situations, but people. So we have to just draw the assumption that Popcorn right now just, seriously a quarantine. I spend some valuable time with the family. Pick up yourself, Mama Rona. Yeah, they say them a peeps. And this is a good thing because artists, to me, them they get a lot of time for really spend with them family based on how them there's enough of them manage them time the people. So this is a time in which them can really use it to them advantage, get to know more things about your family, spend some more time with your family, share some more memories, because this thing right now go on forever, right? And we know so when it finish, everybody they back on road, gone back to them normal activities. So we have to just use this time and really just make it family oriented. And this is the move Popcorn a pull right now. It must be somewhere, taking some amount of nature, or there's somewhere on a river bank, or you cook some food, or do some joke with the mother, my people. Yeah, but Popcorn the artist, people person, and we really love how him deal with them thing, my peeps. Yeah, but Poppy, the fans them, really I wonder if you're good at everything. So you can just give them a hint and make them know what is what, my peeps. Right? That can work, right? Yeah, man, bless upon yourself and comment, let me know what you think. Now, we are going to move on in the topic. Dapper Dan, my people wanna see where me talk about this story various times, in terms of them holding Dexter Daps without any solid evidence proof of anything. And as me say, this is just a desperate move right now by the SSP involved in this matter. Yeah, the same brother will respond to the St. Andrew South area with the highest bat flying rate, my people. Yeah, and he may talk about very silly move him pull off here for really hold on the Dapper Dan, because at the end of the day, Louis Grandison, aka Dexter Daps, role model figure in our community, help out the youths them. So why you go and hold on somebody like this? Because what? You go on the ends and here say the ends name Dapper Ends. So you draw an assumption and say, because of Dexter influence why them name the place. So people, that no make no sense. No sense. I mean, I wait for hear what the Dapper Dan have to say about the whole thing right now. I mean, him in good spirits. Yeah, him happy for the road, and I don't want to see view to them people. Everybody out, like people them just happy to see the artist, which is a good thing, because with Dexter Daps in Seaview, it's a big difference than not having a Dexter Daps with people. You feel it in the ear, you feel it in every walk you make, in every activity you do. So right now, this are the best thing for the artists and the community of Seaview as well, my people. Yeah, Dapper Than Their Road, new music to be released soon, so one can definitely look out for that, my peeps. We're glad to Peter Champagne, see them, my peeps. Him work hard. I mean, him go court 2 times, still never get the Dapper Than free. Him go back again at the tribunal and see them now, man free. And I last time was say the squad them need to do proper investigative work and stop with these desperate moves attacking people who really not do nothing. Do some real work and go find the real perpetrators. And this one me see it's just a cheap move by them. And me have to burn out them something, them peeps. Definitely me have to burn out them something, you know. Because we not like that. You breach people constitutional rights. And me not wait to say, yo, oh, when it reach me, then me a talk about it or do something about it. No, talk about it now. Put yourself in a people's shoes, yeah. Yeah, try feel what them a go through and talk about it. And at this I'm gonna leave it, my peeps. But don't forget, comment, let me know what you think about the situation. Now, one more thing I want to talk about in the topic is this new video from iWin, my people. Too much badness, throw it away, yeah, my peeps. You see what this song, people hear it and think it's a new song, you know. Yeah, Too Much Badness by iWin, but it actually released about 2 years ago on Not Nice label. But the video right now, shot, it's like it just re-energized the song. And iWin in the intro I say, yo, some boy love glorified badness, like badness is something good. And him go on and in the verse, him started with the verse, and him a say, badness some boy a pre and can't afford tea, much less lawyer fee. And that is a serious situation in Jamaica right now. Some man, them are the roughest and the toughest thing, my people, and them go on with a bag of things on the road. But when you check it, them not even have money to afford tea, much less lawyer fee. Very serious line there from iWin. Him go on and him say, some say them ahead of the game, that are the aim, you know, but them really a trick themselves. Go on in our next part and him say, better to be at the beach with your family, having fun in sun, than chasing your brother with strap in hand. Now, anybody will not support that. We see where your mindset there. You know, you know work with the peace thing, you know want things so good. But right now, iWin put things into perspective. And we know say iWin is a very underrated artist. Very, very underrated artist, my people. And really and truly, iWin deserve to reach farther than me there right now. One thing, comment and let me know, because me believe say iWin should have reached farther than him there right now when music concerned. But because you know when you talk things too real, people just can't deal with the realness, you know. A whole heap of people in our world, them can't deal with the realness. Them better live a fake life than if you tell them the truth in front of them face and them face up to it. Them can't do it, my people. Enough people just feel more comfortable living a lie than actually facing up to the truth. So I love this one iWin really drop right now with the visuals concerned. My peeps, these are just some of the screenshots from that actual video itself. So when you finish watch this, my peeps, I love for go over there, so show iWin some support, you know, like up the song, comment, share up the song, cause too much badness, throw it away. Like a ball, you fit throw it away, whether you know it long time or know it one day. Too much sadness, throw it away. My people, look for the night, some look it today. The little where them have the beast took it away. Yeah, my peeps, so go check out that one. Adios, suscriptores. You don't know anything going on. It's Bengo Momento.